You want to buy a home. You have to have essentially credit scores. So if you have no credit, if you have no credit cards, no installment loans, no student loans, very difficult to get a home because you have no credit scores. Well, you say, listen, I can't get a credit card. No one will give me one. I cannot get credit. All I use is a debit card. Let me help you on that. To build credit. Not to go crazy on credit, but to build credit. What I would do is whoever you bank with, Bank X, go to your bank that you have a banking relationship with, that you have your checking savings account, and offer them a sum of money, such as, say, $500. Say, listen, I'd like to have a credit card, not a debit card. I'd like to have a credit card for $500, and here's $500 to back it up. It's yours. That way you can pretty much get your credit card, and the bank will work with you on getting that. So what I would do is if you get that $500, the first thing I would do is charge $500. I would pay it off the next month. And from then going forward, I would put on 100, 150. You have to get gas. You have to buy groceries. I'm not saying to go out and buy merchandise and go spend money and go buy, software. I'm just saying for your daily needs. You can use your credit card, and you can also get points on the credit card. So those are things to establish. I would work on getting 2 to 3 different credit cards. One of the things I want to tell you is, if say you only have student loans on your credit report and you're in deferment, well, that can affect your credit scores in a negative way. If you have, for example, $10,000 on a student loan, but you've deferred it for many years, well, there's interest. Even though you're deferring it, they're adding the interest on top of the balance. So if your balance is greater than what the original loan amount is, that can adversely affect your credit. That's very important to know. So, in building your credit, you want to have some credit cards. If you have a car loan, that's great. I'm not encouraging you to go get a car loan. I'm just saying for daily purposes of maybe food, gas, things of that nature, to use a credit card at 30–40% of the high balance so that you can establish and build credit. You'll need to have credit. If you have bad credit, you really want to work with the credit people on paying them off and working out settlements with them to get your credit report. Go to your local bank or to a loan officer to help you, or a mortgage broker to work on your credit.